Hi everyone, Sean here from the Plymouth District Library. Today I want to give you a little demo on how you can make these cute little origami butterflies. I'm going to be using common printer paper. You can use basically whatever paper you have on hand. No need to go out and buy anything special. Would be a little dangerous right now. So, first things first. Printer paper starts off as a rectangle and we need to square this off. To do that, we're just going to grab a corner, pull it down until you get a nice clean angle over here. And then just crease that. Grab your scissors. And then trim off this extra over on this side. We're going to set this aside and come back to it later. So now we have this rectangle. We're going to open it up like this and then fold this corner here with the crease to meet the other corner with the crease up at the top. Pinch that there and then fold along corner to corner here. So you should have a little square with an X there. What you're going to do is turn that upside down. Oops, sorry, got to keep that right side up so that you have that peak up at the top. And then fold edge to edge. Like so. Unfold it. And then go edge to edge again this way. Get your fold there. Then bring it so it's like this. Then you're just going to press two of these sides together and pinch it at the top so that you get a triangle. So let me just show you that one more time. With that peak poking up, just press two sides in and make a triangle out of it. Turn that like so. Then you're going to fold these top flaps down at a little bit of an angle so that they stick out just a tiny bit there. Now, if you have patterned origami paper at home, it's great, use that. This common printer paper looks pretty boring. So at this point, these four sections here are going to become the wings. So I'm just going to add a little bit of color here. Because butterflies should be pretty, right? All right, so now we've got a little pop of color there. What we're going to do, turn it color side down, and take this edge right here and curl it up. And you want these back pieces to be bending up just a little bit. This peak should come a little bit above the edge of the paper there. And then just pinch it right there. You're not going to want to crease along the edge. Just pinch it right there, then flip it over again, take that corner, and fold it back so it overlaps, and then just take the whole thing and fold it up like so. And there you have a lovely origami butterfly. So, that piece that we set aside earlier, there are a couple options we can do with this. You can either fold that up, make a little square out of that and start over again, and make a tiny little butterfly. Or you could cut it into 4 long, thin strips, like this, and turn that into white ribbons that you can put in your window to support first responder medical staff. Hope you're all doing well, and I hope you have fun with this origami project.